Our first guest speaker this morning is Dr. Jennifer Fristino. Dr. Fristino did her undergraduate work at the University of Rochester and graduated from the University at Buffalo School of Dental Medicine in 2009. Last year, she completed a general practice residency in dental oncology at Roswell Park Cancer Institute, where she continues to work as both a clinician and researcher and as a PhD student in the Department of Cancer Pathology and Prevention, working on research related to biomarkers and screening modalities for early oral cancer detection. Dr. Fristino continues to be very active with the School of Dental Medicine as a member of the admissions committee and as a volunteer faculty member for BOCA, Buffalo Outreach and Community Assistance, our dental outreach program. She was recently appointed as the 8th District Dental Society's representative to the New York State Dental Association's Council on Dental Health Planning and Hospital Dentistry. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Dr. Jennifer Fristino.
Thank you, Dr. Davis. Welcome, class of 2015. As a recent graduate of UB Dental School, I am honored and humbled to be standing here before you to welcome you to this profession. It was only 6 years ago that I was in the same room, bright-eyed and buzzing with excitement, as you are today. And let me tell you, half the battle has been won. You've been accepted into dental school, and this is a great accomplishment, and you should all be very proud of yourselves. This is a big day for you, your parents, your family, and your friends. From this day forward, your life will never be the same. I know that is a big statement to make, but it is the truth. You're about to join an amazing profession that is made up of fascinating people. As dentists, we are fortunate to be healthcare providers and community leaders. We have tremendous autonomy, and we have the liberty to choose from various career paths. But most importantly, we are given the privilege to work with people. In many professions, you work with people, but dentistry is different. You will actually be given a license to physically manipulate and operate inside a person's mouth. Whether it's restoring a filling, inserting a denture, extracting a tooth, or biopsying a suspicious lesion, you will have the benefit of helping another human being. This is a true honor and a true privilege, but it comes with much responsibility. Your life and your new profession must overlap to become the best that you can be. You owe this to your patients, who will rely on you for diagnoses, treatments, recommendations, and your expertise. You now hold the responsibility as a future doctor of the oral cavity. If this was an easy task, there would be a dental course in medical school, and our physician colleagues would do the job. However, this is clearly not the case. The oral cavity is the window to the rest of the body. The link between oral health and systemic health has never been more important and is finally widely recognized. You will be trained in recognizing the first signs of some diseases that manifest in the mouth. You will have a great part in treating the overall health of your patients. Efforts in prevention have made great progress, and people are retaining their teeth longer. Your job is to help save these teeth and keep people smiling. You will never forget the feeling you have the first time you restore somebody's smile, knowing that ultimately you are improving their confidence and positively impacting their life. From this day forward, you must be committed to a career of lifelong learning. The field of dentistry is forever changing. Research, technology, and materials are always evolving, and overwhelming progress has been made in the recent years. For instance, composites, CAD/CAM restorations, digital radiography, lasers, cone beam CT scans, and dental implants are just a few examples that our dental predecessors would have never dreamed of. You're about to embark on a challenging yet very rewarding journey. In dental school, you will have good days and bad days. You will laugh, you will cry, you will succeed, and you will make mistakes. You will gain and you will sacrifice. Whatever happens, you must learn from every experience. You must remain positive and always help each other. You will make some of the best friends of your life and share experiences that nobody else will ever understand. I wish you the best of luck in this exciting time, and I'm happy to welcome you to this amazing profession. And in closing, some inspiring words that remind me of both dental school and my experiences thus far as a new dentist. This is an excerpt from "Oh, the Places You'll Go" by Dr. Seuss. You'll get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. So be sure when you step with great care and great tact, and remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left. And will you succeed? Yes, you will, indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. Thank you, congratulations, and welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Fristino. Our next speaker is Mr. Gordon Gross. Mr. Gross is a University of Buffalo Law School alumnus and founder of Gross, Schumann, Berzdal, and Gilpin, PC. He is a former State University of New York trustee and has a long history of philanthropy, both in the community and at the University at Buffalo. His brother, Dr. Alan Gross, was a longtime faculty member who was passionate about education, students, and life in general, and he was well thought of by faculty, students, and staff. Gordon established the Alan J. Gross Student Resource Dental Fund, which supports, among other things, our white coat ceremony, and established that in Alan's honor. Please welcome Gordon Gross.
Thank you, Elaine. My brother Alan was passionate about dental education, but especially about the welfare of the dental students, and he was determined to improve the quality of student life at the dental school. He was devoted to the students and student issues and worked towards making the dental student experience a rewarding and satisfying one. Since his death in 1998, the fund in Alan's name has grown so that today, in addition to supporting the Alan J. Gross Dental Student Resource Room in Square Hall, it also supports the Alan Gross Award for Excellence in Teaching, the White Coat Ceremony for incoming students, providing the white coats you will receive today, the annual Dental School Talent Show, and the annual Match Day Luncheon. Now, I hope that each of you students, after you graduate and start in practice, will demonstrate appreciation for the excellent education that you're about to receive. What neither you nor your parents may fully realize is that the true cost of your education will far exceed the tuition costs that you pay. Without the contributions from New York State and the philanthropy of our UB Dental graduates, tuition costs would be substantially more. I hope that you and your parents will remember this as you pursue your professional career and give back to the university. Contributions to the school's annual fund and contributions to the UB Foundation, providing for student scholarships, dental research, and such, are critical to maintaining and improving the university's dental school's national status and attracting outstanding student and faculty. I wish all of you success in your studies and future profession. Thank you.